my lolo. She from I don't know. She wears and go low. Pick up the place like a dojo. So when you say my way, the girl when you come
my way, my way. All I know, I don't know the words.
That's a fun man.
You're very good.
Thank you.
Very good at the fanning.
I
Thank you, sir.
appreciate that.
Welcome back. Now, guys, this guest is someone who truly does it all. And not only does she do it all, she does it all beautifully. She's a UK-based legal professional, a social media influencer, and one of the biggest champions of Jamaican culture across the Atlantic.
Bugger things. Kaydene Reanne is in the building, or shall we say, she's right here. Right here, side away. Welcome, Kaydene.
Thank you.
Hello, my darlings. Like we said, you're a legal professional. You're also a content creator, and you're really popular on social media. How do you go about managing all three things without feeling burnout? You know?
I think the excitement keeps me awake. So since I've landed in Jamaica, I probably slept for about 24 hours.
How long have you been here? Right, because if I yesterday, yes, enough.
Wait, what's today? Thursday? Friday. Yeah, the days are... I haven't slept since I was out last night. So I landed on Monday, maybe? I don't know.
So you're having a time?
Yeah, so I got home at 7, had to pack to check out because I have a flight, and here I am. So last time I slept was maybe 10 a.m. yesterday.
When I grow up, I want to be you.
I love my bed, you know. So tell me something. Does your career have any bearing on your influencer life, right? How you show up? Or do you try and keep both of them separate?
Good question.
I keep my work separate, but I think it shows up because it was my paralegals at work that asked me to start social media, because when I used to be out on a Sunday and be at court at 9 a.m. on Monday, they were like, we didn't think solicitors lived that life.
Right.
Because most of my colleagues had just gone for a walk, whereas I was in the club till 2 a.m. and then I'm like, oh, right, I've got work in the morning. So they asked me to post on social media because they said that it would inspire lots of people. So I just did it one day and here we are.
I think that's really good, because I have friends who are like lawyers and judges and stuff, and they're not about the nightlife life.
You have the links.
And they do. Oh, you think they keep themselves out of trouble? Listen. And they're not really about that type of life. But there are persons who are watching now who may feel like they want to enter into the world of influencing. Do you have any advice on how they can begin, or if they are in, how they can sustain?
Be yourself. So I just started last year, February, and I just sat and posted videos. I love dancehall music, so I'm always out. And so just started showing people my outfit, saying where I was going. And I realized that a lot of people in the UK didn't realize what dancehall events in the UK, but because I'm tapped in and I follow all the artists, I know when they're coming. So even if it's a small venue. So yeah, just be yourself. Put the camera on, record.
So you said that you came in on Monday. You landed in Jamaica on
the 1st. I've lost, sorry, because I'm not sleeping.
Today's the 10th.
So in 10 days, you've slept for 24 hours?
About that,
That's not
yeah.
even 2
We've been
hours
doing puss naps.
So walk us through a typical week for you, right? Whether it's balancing work, your content creation, your social life, what does that all look like?
Wake up at 6 a.m., go gym at 7, back home by about 8:30, make breakfast, start work at 9, finish between 5 and 7, 8, depending on the day. And then sometimes I have an event after work, so shower, do my makeup, go out, and then hopefully get home. I try to have 4 hours sleep when I'm in London, so at least go bed by 2 so I can be up by 6. If I go bed at 3, it slows my day down, but I get it done.
What I love is that what I hear is discipline. You hear discipline?
Yeah. You get up.
You
get up at 6, gym at 7, and reach home by 8:30. You know, I know Jamaica should live, because there's no way you'd leave out 7 o'clock and 10 o'clock in a reach gym yet.
Yeah, but I walk to the gym.
Facts.
Yeah, walk, exercise.
You walk to the gym. All right.
Go ahead.
Quick question. How can we find you on social media? How can persons here keep in contact with you? Want to live your life? You know, I'm want to walk on to England too. How can we find you on social media?
Kaydene_Reanne on all apps. So since I've been in Jamaica, I've been live streaming on Twitch. So people have been at the parties with me
Twitch
to enjoy it. Yeah, people have been watching.
The audience were like, yes.
What's on Twitch?
Grandma is like,
Yeah.
Twitch.
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, any app, Spotify. If you want to listen to my playlist, I'm everywhere. Same name.
I'm here for that. One more time, Kaydene.
_Reanne.
All right.
Wow.
Pick up yourself.
Jeez, I'm pissed.
All right. So, guys, we have a giveaway for those in the audience that's going to give it away to me. And we have a question. What is the question?
All right, so the question is, right, let me find the question for you. Let me find it. Okay.
It did it.
Oh, see there. Name 2 of Campari's signature drink mixes.
Oop.
Just name 2 of Campari's signature drink mixes.
Me. Me. Do, do, do. Anybody?
2 of Campari's signature
Clive, you know
drink
any?
mixes.
Him drink them, but him don't know them. I'll give you anybody, sir?
2
I can't help you now. If you don't want a little help. Okay, so one of them is a fruit that is also, it's a big fruit.
Yes, I got it. But the name of the fruit.
But the name of the fruit is like a small fruit. Are you 18 years and older, sir?
Never mind.
It's a fruit.
You know the fruit?
Yes. Try.
No.
What you say?
Where's the mic?
Grapefruit.
Yeah, so it's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
So it's grapefruit,
Right.
cranberry, orange juice. Yes.
I feel that's good. I feel
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, man. We get that.
Because. So, what's your name?
Okay, so I am Howard.
Howard?
You don't need my last name. I can't say my last name.
Okay, can't say. He's on the cover. Can't say his last name. So congratulations, Howard. Can't say his last name. He's won a T-shirt package from Campari
Yes.
and
Thank you.
Exodus. Big up yourselves. So Howard, you and I will be talking momentarily after the break.
Take care.
Yeah, we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna talk to Howard and get my T-shirt, and we'll see you guys in a minute. We'll soon come.
Soon forward.
I go drink water and mind my business. I go drink water and mind my business. I go drink water and mind my business. Drink water and mind my business. Who me? I don't watch people, man. I'm looking for house and land. Who me? I don't watch people things. I's a queen. I have my own king. Or some of them just talk the most, like they know it all. Ask them how they get their Gucci purse. I go drink water and mind my business.